Today guys, I'm going to cook beef stir fry with beans, green beans. Simple cooking again by Mommy Cuts. Ayan, I have here onions, 2 pieces of it, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tomato from my garden, and my sliced beef, and my green beans over there. Then I am going to put a little bit of carrots on it to make it colorful. Then I'm gonna use this, what is this, Vietnamese seasoning. And then I have my black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and cooking oil. Okay guys, let's go start cooking. I have my pan over here with oil on it. Now I put my onions. Everyday cooking for my kiddos, for my kids, and for the whole gang in the family. So guys, yeah, I put a little bit of oil on it, more bit, because my meat are a lot. I marinate this one with the Vietnamese soy sauce, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So here we go. By the way guys, thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching my post. And thank you for the likes and comment. I will do more videos, especially simple cooking. Simple cooking, not complicated. Whatever you have, you can make it whatever you want. There you go guys. My garlic, my onions are frying. And then I put my garlics on. I went to the market earlier today because I don't have nothing to cook. All my frozen meat are gone. Okay, guys, there you go. Life is so simple. You don't need to, make it complicated. There you go. Smells good. As you can see it guys, I don't use too much seasoning on it. My kids, my family used to it, whatever, I just put. But I seen this one, the tomato, what is that? Like a soy sauce, Vietnamese one. I buy and try it. Now is my tomato. That's from my garden, organic. Yeah. I found 2 pieces ripe over there. The raccoon left it for me and the squirrel, so I washed them. And I use it to cook. Ayan guys. The thing is, Mama is always the restaurant in this house, so I have nothing to do. First priority is to cook, to clean. Oh yeah. Whatever it is. Here you go guys. Easy breezy. And then I put my meat now. There you go. I put my meat. There's a little bit of fats on it. It's okay. A little bit doesn't harm you. I don't want to eat my kids like pure meat, so I decide to put green bean on it. That they have protein, they have vegetables in one dish. Okay, I leave it like that for a while and be back. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, there you go. My meat is thinly sliced, so it's easy to be cooked. Now I will add on a little bit of black pepper on it, garlic powder a bit, and I will put now my green beans. There you go. And so with my carrots together. That's it. And then I will sprinkle a little bit of this Vietnamese soya sauce for cooking. That's it. All done. And then mix it up. That's how easy I cook, guys. Oh, my beef is like 2 pounds. Yes. That's how simple life is, guys. Wherever you are. Then I will cover it for at least 5 minutes. And then we're done. There you go. Cooking done, guys. There you go. My beef with green beans and carrots. There you go. Try this and this, and it's hot. Blue, blue, blue. Mmm. Mmm. Guys, everything is perfect. The taste, it's not salty, it's not, you know, everything is good. Now we're done. Turn off the heat, the fire, and that's my dish today. Thank you guys for watching.